Just where it is after the plane take off.
Transfer or Cauayan Resort. Hello.
This is the driver, Tatay ID.
Hello, Tatay Adi.
Si Sir Lord.
Yes, sir.
Kamusta po kayo?
Good day.
We're in the Cauayan van transfer now on the way to El Nido town, which will take approximately 15 minutes. Right, gentlemen? So we haven't been back to El Nido since 2010. It's a long time. Anong changes?
6 years
Yeah.
ago.
What's new in El Nido?
In 2006, they have a lot of resorts
Yeah.
and hotel like that.
In El Nido town,
Yeah,
right?
Nido Town. It's a lot. Or hotel resorts. In 2010, that's only in the front beach, like the Marina Garden,
Mm-hmm.
the Nido Beach Hotel only, and Nalinabit. But now it's more than this.
Wow. And when did Cauayan open?
Open this month.
Just this month.
Yeah.
The hotel is brand new.
Open yun? Yeah, the hotel is
Wow.
good. But now it's good. Good for the island hopping. Sunday.
How far is the resort from the lagoons?
The lagoons, just 25 minutes.
25 minutes
Yeah.
by boat. You guys
by
do?
boat, by outrigger, but if the speedboat, only 20 or 15 minutes only
Okay.
by the lagoons. Because the different, this outrigger, very slow the speed. Bangka lang.
And you bring kayaks also?
No, yes, yeah. And then the kayak, if not bring, so they have kayak for the small lagoon and big, it's ready to prepare.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's nice. One of the most wonderful place, small lagoon and big lagoon.
Yeah.
The famous good place.
We're going on the way to El Nido town.
15 minutes, pumunta ng pier.
That's where the pier is. Then we take a boat, a speedboat. 20 minutes.
15 minutes. Sabi natin 20 minutes. Basta. Oh, nakalis na. Ha? Harap? Ano? Ang driver ko sa speedboat. Si Kuya Jun. Si Bali.
Still on the way to El Nido town. It is the first time we're going to El Nido town since the last time we were here in 2010. We took a boat directly to El Nido Resorts.
Okay.
Kumentang.
Spain, sa Laban Resorts. Ito na yung town. Pababa na tayo ng Inwiller, madadaanan natin. Inwiller, France, El Nido.
Mm-hmm.
Papunta ito ng going to pier. Picking up the speedboat. This is the elementary school. So, merong improvement, may bago na sa kanila. Ito yung home. Miss Leandra. Yung speedboat yung papunta rito. Yung
Is there a plan yet or walang plan?
plan niya. Bumaba kami ni Mr. William. Chapter town. This is the William branch dito.
Mm-hmm.
Nag-duty rin ako 2005 hanggang 2010 on.
So you used to work for Charles before? Ha? Alam mo na si Charles.
Alam mo na yun, sir. Pero at least, happy ako kasi damit ko rin sila. Damit ko rin kayo, ganun. Ito. Ito na yung kung signal town. This is the pinaka-main na bar. Siksikan.
Roads are too small.
Yeah, and then the roadway side by side, so many what you like this one, no? Global parking. Hindi yan doon. Gusto nilang kunin yung guard eh. Una-una yung kawayan. Ano na yun?
Saan tayo? Sa Bedits?
May ano po tayo?
Tataas?
May taas. So now we're going to Port of Nido.
Ito ang gas station. Petrol.
Gas station.
The only gas station, yeah?
Oh,
Yeah.
One and
Yeah.
only.
Old.
Nandiyan sila?
Diyan sila ngayon.
Okay.
Ay, wala na ako yung tayo stopping iwanan. Kinordinig ko sa Plantis eh. Ibabayaran ba tayo dyan?
Ano ba? Na-speedboat master eh.
Okay.
Yung brown, yung brown.
So we've arrived at the port. Now, what's the plan?
My plan is just to go there
Okay.
because I wait the other guys to 10 minutes to flight.
Sige. Let's go hang out. So we're here at the port, and this is the view of El Nido town from the port.
Dati ito lang, bakit yung marina, blue direction lang, tapos to.
So ito lahat bago.
Ito yun.
Yes, we can go.
Let's go.